Design and implementation of multiplexer using logic gates. So here we'll be designing and implementing a 4:1 mux using logic gates. The components required are IC 7411, a 3-input AND gate, IC 7432 OR gate, and IC 7402 NOT gate. Multiplexer means transmitting a large number of information units over a small number of channels or lines. A digital multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. Normally, there are 2 to the power n input line and n selection lines whose bit combination determines which input is selected. This is the logic diagram of multiplexer, and these are the pin diagrams of the required ICs. Once we have connected the circuit as per the logic diagram, we will be verifying this truth table.
Hello students, today let's see how to implement a 4x1 multiplexer using our digital IC trainer kit. We know that in a multiplexer, the binary information from one of many input lines is selected and directed to a single output line. So in our case, we are having 4 inputs, which means 2 to the power 2. So there are two. If we have 2 to the power n input lines, there are n selection lines. So in a multiplexer, we select from a given set of input lines based upon the inputs given to the selection lines. So in here we have 2 selection lines, S1 and S0. This is the circuit connections given for 4x1 multiplexer based upon the logic diagram. We are using 3 gates, 7404, 7411 which is the AND gate, and 7432 which is the OR gate. Now for our implementation we require 4 AND gates. According to IC 7411, one single IC can implement only 3 AND gates, okay, because we have 3 inputs and 1 output in a single AND gate. Now for our requirement, as we need 4 AND gates, we will be using 2 ICs of 7411 and 1 IC for 7404 and 7432 respectively. Now this is, first I have given the 7404 which is the NOT gate. Next, following that we have 2 ICs which is the AND gate 7411. So this is one 7411 IC and this is another 7411 IC, and the last one we have set up is the 7432 which is the OR gate, from which we will be taking the output line. Now this is the 5-volt power supply and this is the ground, and these are connected to the circuit as per the logic diagram. Now let's see how the output is implemented for a 4x1 multiplexer. Now these are the selection lines, okay. This is S1 and this is S0. Now whenever I change the states for S1 and S0, based upon my selection lines, which of the inputs will be selected and given to the output will be determined. Now let's see. First I am selecting S1 and S0 as 0 and 0. You can see here, if the knob is pointing to 0, it means S1 0 is selected, and S0 also 0 is selected. So now when this is 0 0, this is my D0, okay. This is my D0, D1, D2 and D2. These are the input lines, and we have only one output. This is the output line. So when my selection lines are 0 0, and when I try to change my input which is D0, I will have some change. Now when I give my selection line as 0 0, only my D0 input should have some change, okay. So when I give it as 1, the output is coming out as 1. If I give D0 as 0, my output will be 0. When I try to make changes to other input lines D1, D2 and D3, there is no change. You can see that. Now I am changing my selection line as S1 as 0 and S0 as 1. So at that time I am trying to change D0, there is no change. I am trying to change D1. You can see if I give D1 as 1, my output is 1, D1 is 0, my output is 0, and any change to other input lines will not have any effect. Next, I am giving my selection line as 1 and 0. When I am giving it as 1 and 0, D0 and D1 and D2 have no effect, only D1 will have changes. Fine. Similarly, I am giving my selection line as 1 and 1. At this situation, at this selection, only my D3 will have its output carried over to the output lines, okay? And the other input lines, even if I change, will not have any effect. You can see that. Only when I give D3 as 0, I get my output as 0, and D3 if I give it as 1, I get my output as 1. So this is the implementation of 4x1 multiplexer. Thank you.